If you are looking for a great Thor costume, you're absolutely going to love this one. I'm going to walk you through everything you get. Right off the bat, this is super comfortable. So you're going to get this hair piece right over here. So that's going to be piece 1. Piece 2 is going to be this right over here. I'm going to take this off so I can talk a little bit better. You got your hands right over here. So you got these gloves. You got this hoodie right here. So this baby blue hoodie, which is really nice. We got this throw over robe. You can see here we got the brown kind of going on over here. Really, really nice, super comfortable. And then we have the pants. So these are basically like pajama pants. You can see there, you got pockets here, which is great if you're going out. Really, really like this. It is true to size, so whatever size you are, I recommend getting that. Really, really like this a lot. So if you're looking for a great Thor costume for Halloween or just to wear around, just for fun, definitely check this one out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.